Types of arc welding machines. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the diverse world of arc welding machines, each designed to excel in specific welding applications. These machines are not one-size-fits-all. Instead, they offer unique capabilities, advantages, and limitations. Our journey will introduce you to the following main types of arc welding machines. Shielded metal arc welding (SMAW) machines. Often referred to as STICU welding, SMAW machines are known for their simplicity, durability, and adaptability. They are widely used in construction, maintenance, and repair work. However, shielded metal arc welding (SMAW) is a fusion welding process that uses a consumable, flux-coated electrode to create an arc between the electrode and the workpiece. Molten metal travels from the electrode via the electrical arc and is deposited into the workpiece. Gas metal arc welding (GMAW) or MIG machines. Commonly known as GMAW welding, these machines excel in speed and efficiency, making them popular for automotive, fabrication, and general welding applications. In this process, an arc is struck between the base metal and a continuously supplied consumable electrode, which provides filler metal for the weld. Gas tungsten arc welding (GTAW) or TIG machines. Renowned for precision and cleanliness, TIG welding machines are favored in industries where the utmost control and weld quality are essential, such as aerospace and artistic welding. Gas tungsten arc welding (GTAW) or tungsten inert gas (TIG) welding is an arc welding process that uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode to produce the weld. The weld area and electrode are protected from oxidation or other atmospheric contamination by an inert shielding gas, argon or helium. Submerged arc welding SAW machines. SAW machines are heavy-duty workhorses, often used in industrial applications like shipbuilding, pipeline construction, and the manufacturing of large structural components. Submerged arc welding (SAW) is a joining process that involves the formation of an electric arc between a continuously fed electrode and the workpiece to be welded. A blanket of powdered flux surrounds and covers the arc and, when molten, provides electrical conduction between the metal to be joined and the electrode. The submerged welding process is used for welding of low-alloy steels. It is also used for stainless steels and nickel-based alloys. SAW can also be used for surfacing applications such as wear facing, corrosion overlay of steels, etc. If you're seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever a new video drops. For more information on arc welding machines, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.